Hello everyone, welcome to my series on English grammar. Today we will learn past perfect simple and past perfect progressive tenses. This video will give you complete information about these tenses. What is the difference between the two? What are the common errors related to them? It will also give you easy tips and tricks to understand the tenses. So watch the video till the end and have clear concepts. This is Rekha Sharma. Let's start the video. What is the past perfect simple tense? This is also known as the earlier past. As the title suggests, the name suggests, the action which took place earlier than the other action in the past, that is expressed through past perfect simple tense. First of all, let's know about the verb forms. Had plus third form of the verb. Had gone, had played, had worked. Okay, so we use third form or past participle with had. Past perfect simple tense refers to one event which happened before another in the past. It tells us which event happened first. Suppose two events took place in the past. Okay, one took place earlier than the other. So the action or the event which took place earlier than the other is expressed through past perfect simple tense. It means we use had plus third form. दो एक्शन जो पास्ट में हुए, एक थोड़ा पहले हुआ और एक थोड़ा बाद में हुआ, तो जो एक्शन थोड़ा पहले हुआ उसके साथ हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ करेंगे, यानी हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म, और जो एक्शन थोड़ा बाद में हुआ उसके साथ हम पास्ट सिंपल टेंस यूज़ करेंगे, यानी सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू द एग्जाम्पल. When I reached my school, the morning assembly had already started, just started. Okay, so two actions took place in the past. One is reaching school and the second is starting of the assembly. So tell me, which action happened first? Assembly had started first. So we have used here past perfect tense had plus third form. And which action took place later on? Reaching the school. Okay, so here we have used past simple. Children, remember, past perfect expresses complete action. Okay, and it is generally used with past simple tense. Okay, past perfect simple tense refers to time up to some point in the past. As I told you earlier that the action which took place in the past, okay, and which took place earlier than the other is expressed through past perfect tense. See the examples. I had completed my test before the bell rang. So which action took place earlier and which was complete action? Had completed my test. So this is past perfect. And which action took place later? That is rang, the bell rang. And this is the second action, and this is past simple. He was happy because he had won the race. Why was he happy? Because he had won the race. Again we have used here past perfect tense. They had not finished the rehearsal by 7 PM when I called. जब मैंने फ़ोन किया तब तक उनकी रिहर्सल फिनिश नहीं हुई थी. दैट इज़ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. So we can use not after had not finished. We had finished water and food before we reached our destination. So this action took place earlier, so it is expressed through had plus third form. It means past perfect tense. Past perfect tense refers to the earlier of the two past actions. I have already told you about this. And past simple shows the later action, means second action is expressed through past simple, and in past simple we use second form of the verb. Okay, in past simple we use second form, and in past perfect we use had plus third form. So don't be confused. When the doctor came, the patient had already died. So which action took place earlier? Had already died. This was the first action, so it is expressed through past perfect tense. The criminal had run away when the police arrived. So which action took place earlier? Had run away. Criminal had run away. So this is past perfect. And here also past perfect. Okay. And this is doctor came. This is second form of the verb, or we can say past simple tense. Next important point is we do not use past perfect tense with only a single event in the past. Okay. We use past simple tense. So we do not use past perfect tense with only a single event in the past. Remember this. So which tense we use? Past simple tense we use. Yani second form of the verb. Our forefathers had spoken Punjabi. Had spoken is wrong. Here we will be using spoke. It means past simple tense. Second form is used here because only a single event in the past is expressed. Past perfect tense used with before. When the clause begins with before, we use past perfect tense with the clause. It shows our action was incomplete. Okay. When the action in past simple tense happened. So exceptions are there. Generally past perfect tense expresses complete action, but when you see this example you will understand here the action is not complete. The writer died before he had finished his novel. So he could not finish his novel before death and suddenly he died. So the action is not complete here, but it is expressed through past perfect tense. Past perfect tense used with the adverbs already, still, just, ever, never. So remember, these are the adverbs or time expression which take past perfect tense. Okay, they are the keywords. I called my friend, but he had already left the hotel. So with already we have used had plus third form. The school still had not opened. With still we have used had not opened past perfect tense. The principal came to the class when the teacher had just left the class. Okay, had just left the class. Just left, that is also past perfect tense. This was the most beautiful hill station which I had ever seen. I had, that is hidden here. So ever seen, with ever we have used had plus third form. Next important tense is past perfect progressive or continuous tense. As progressive or continuous word shows, the action is not complete in this tense. The action is incomplete in the past. Okay, action was incomplete in the past. So the verb form we use here had been. Now see, the verb form has been changed. अब वर्ब फॉर्म्स यहाँ चेंज हो गई हैं. यहाँ हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म की जगह हम क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं? हैड बीन, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द मेन वर्ब एंड ing. Had been doing, had been reading, had been writing. And we also use for or since with past perfect progressive tense. For, and since, as I had explained in present perfect tense, for or since, or present perfect continuous tense, for or since, for expresses duration of the time, or since expresses point of the time. Okay, or for expresses period of the time, duration, period, same. An action which started in the past continued up until another time in the past. It means in past perfect progressive tense, the action is not complete, it is incomplete. Okay, but the action took place in the past. Past action is unfinished and the action is not complete, it is unfinished when another action happened. Examples. She had been watching the serial every day since it started. So this action was continuing. Since the serial started, she had been watching it regularly. Okay, so this is express past perfect continuous या progressive tense. Had been plus first form of the verb plus ing. So remember, past perfect continuous tense focuses on duration of time. Okay, so what is the duration? Every day, and we have used here since also. Okay, so she had been learning classical dance since she was 5. Again, when she was 5-year-old, since then she had been continuing classical dance practice. So this is also present perfect continuous tense. He had been teaching in the public school for 5 years. For 5 years. Okay. So again, duration of time is given, and we are using here had been teaching means past perfect continuous tense. So remember, when the action was continuing in the past, the action was not complete and the duration of time is given, then we will be using past perfect continuous tense, not past perfect tense or past progressive tense. Okay. We do not use past perfect progressive tense with stative verbs. This is very important. What are the stative verbs? Stative verbs means they are not action verbs. Okay? They express the state of being. What is the status of the subject? Okay? So there are certain verbs which are not used in continuous form. What are they? The verbs of perception means taste, smell, see, hear. So these verbs, 5 senses, and verbs of what you can say, emotions, love, hate, like. Verbs of mental state like believe, know, imagine, understand, okay, or suppose, think. And verbs of possession, have, belong. So these are called stative verbs and they are never used in continuous form. Remember this. If you want to know more about stative verbs, you watch my video on stative verbs, linking verbs and dynamic verbs. See the example and know the difference. I had been knowing her for years. So knowing is a stative verb. It can't be used in ing form. So the correct answer is I had known her for years. We will be using here past perfect, not past perfect continuous. She had been loving a friend since she met her in the party. Again, love, stative verbs. It can't be used in ing form. So the correct answer is had loved. Okay. Past perfect continuous or progressive tense refers to cause and effect of the action. My sister lost her weight because she had been doing yoga regularly. So what is the result? What is the effect? She lost her weight. So that is expressed in past simple. And what was the cause of losing weight? She had been doing yoga regularly. This was the cause, and it is expressed through past perfect, continuous or progressive tense. I was confident because I had been practicing hard for the dance show. Again, I was confident result, and the cause, I had been practicing hard for the dance show. That's why I was confident. So this is expressed in past perfect continuous tense. What are the common errors related to them? First example, I was living in Delhi for 2 years. Duration of time is given. So we can't use past progressive tense. Okay, so with duration of time, we will be using past perfect continuous tense. I had been living in Delhi for 2 years before I shifted to Lucknow. So this is correct. It has stopped raining when I left the club. When I left the club. It had stopped raining. So see, has stopped present tense, present perfect continuous tense, and left past tense. So both the verbs are inconsistent, because if according to the rule, basic rule, if the one verb is in past tense, the second verb should be also in the past tense. Okay, so had stopped is correct, not has stopped. More common errors. He was tired because he was playing football for hours. Again, duration of time is given, so we can't use past progressive tense. He was tired because he had been playing football. So had been playing football is correct. The bungalow had been belonging to my grandmother. Again, belonging is a stative verb. It can't be used in ing form. So the correct is had belonged to my grandmother for years before the neighbor bought it. So I hope the doubts are clear. So thank you very much for watching the video.